everyone, and welcome to the Two from the Heart channel. It's Tina here, and in keeping with our rock and roll tributes we've been doing, I did this one on David Bowie's iconic Alladin Sane album cover. His album from 1973. Probably the best track, or the most popular track, is the Genie. We still miss David Bowie. I'm not gonna kid you, this was a tough one for me. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a singer, so yes, very challenging. And I know the eyebrows are hideous. I promise to do better next time. Yeah, that line is not straight either. I see it. But we're happy with how it turned out, and we wanted to get some pictures out of it, which we were able to do. So if you'd like to see us do more of these rock and roll tributes, like, share, and subscribe, and visit our website at number2fromtheheart.com. Thank you guys so much for watching.